Good morning, dear friends. I'm back with a breakfast recipe today. We are going to make protein-rich paneer stuffed parathas. We are also going to add methi to it, and imagine the flavors. Paneer combined with methi is perfect combination, and paratha is something that we all love. Nobody can say no to a stuffed paratha. And this can be had not only for breakfast, but you can even enjoy it for brunch, lunch, dinner, any time of the day. All you need is just some yogurt or curd and some pickle to go with it on the side. So shall we proceed to make this flavorful paneer methi stuffed paratha?
Paneer Parathas, nutritious, wholesome and protein rich. For the dough, we'll require whole wheat flour 2 cups or as needed, oil 2 tablespoons, salt to taste. In winters you can add Ajwain also, and ghee or clarified butter for making parathas, water as needed for kneading. For the filling, we'll require paneer, grated paneer 150 grams, 1 potato boiled and mashed. Here we have 3 to 4 tablespoons of sauteed methi leaves. This I always make and keep it in the freezer. It makes it very easy. You can check out the link in the description box and I button how to make and store it. Green chillies 2 finely chopped. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. And salt to taste. We are keeping it simple. The list can also be checked in the description box. Let's start by kneading the dough first. Transfer it into a larger bowl. Add salt as needed. I'm adding about 2 tiny spoons, coffee spoons. As I mentioned earlier, you can also add Ajwain in winters. 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix everything well first. Once this is done, we will start kneading by adding water little by little. This way you can control the consistency and texture of the dough. Never add too much water at a time. For stuffed parathas, we'll need softer dough. Now finally add little oil and smoothen it. Knead it very well to get a nice texture. Friends, one small request: if you are a new visitor, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Choose all option to get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. Kneading is done. Now we are going to rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the filling. Transfer the grated paneer into a larger bowl. Add the potato. Add the sauteed methi, green chillies, salt. Add carefully as methi already has salt, and garam masala. We will keep this filling very simple because if you add too many spices, they overpower the flavor of methi. We want the lovely methi flavor to be intact. Usually in the other stuffing we add lots of masalas. We don't want them dominating the flavors. Lovely. Now mash it with the back of the spoon so that it becomes little smooth. Check the taste. It's done. Now back to the dough. Once again we'll put little oil and make it smooth. This is very important. When the dough is nice and smooth texture, you get lovely parathas. Take out small portions as required. Roll it out. Now here is one tip. The edges of the roti should be thinner. for stuffed parathas, so that when you make a bundle, the dough doesn't become a lump. Now make it into a small bundle, flatten it, and further roll it again very carefully so that the filling doesn't come out. That's the reason why we keep the dough little softer texture. Rolling becomes very easy this way. Now heat the griddle, brush little ghee or oil on it. Transfer the paratha. Now we are going to flip it few times. Each time you flip, you can brush little oil. Also control the temperature. If it is too hot, reduce the flame to medium. You can use oil or ghee or butter, whatever you like. I usually mix half and half, half oil, half ghee. This way, keep flipping it. While you are flipping, you can just press the edges. This helps the paratha to puff up. Lovely, the paratha is almost done. The same way you make all your parathas. Remove it into a plate and serve it hot with little bit of butter on it. Yummy meal. Stuffed parathas are always welcome. You can just enjoy them with little bit of curd and pickle. You can make them with different variations each time. Do check out my other stuffed paratha recipes also. The links will be shared in the description box. Happy cooking. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Love you all. Take care. Thanks for watching, and do check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed them.